Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in this video we are going to change our diesel bullets clutch oil and also the clutch oil ring, which prevents as a seal here. And the purpose of changing this is actually, in my bike the oil cover o-ring started leaking, so that's the reason why we are going to change it right now. To remove this casing, there's only one bolt in the center which holds the full assembly, and also we need a 19 mm box spanner to remove this. And also don't forget to place an empty can underneath the casing so that the oil starts dripping over it. Previously we have used some unbound gasket paste, so that's why it's holding off too heavy. So as you could see, it starts dripping off at the bottom. So this is our old clutch cover o-ring, which is made up of rubber. So as you could see here, it's actually cut it into two pieces. It's likely because it's too old. So as it's a unit construction engine, it needs to transmit the power from our engine to the clutch and the gearbox. So that's the reason why this chain has been given. In some cases, if you feel a drop in pickup or anything, you have to adjust this chain here. The reason why the clutch oil is black over here is because of the clutch debris that you could see. And also the chain will be completely rotating over here, so that's the reason why the oil is black. And this is our new clutch o-ring rubber, and it's called as clutch covering actually. So it costed me around 50 rupees, so it's not that expensive. So before fixing it, try to clean off these edges. So any mechanics who are fixing this will use some unbound paste, or it's actually a gasket paste, so that the oil doesn't leaks over. As you could see, there are a lot of reworks done in this casting cover. So as it's from a casting thing, so it's easy to repair. And here I have fixed the o-ring rubber, and before fixing the casing, we'll just put our unbound paste and then fix it. And here I have used just an regular unbound paste. It's 460 model number, so it costs just 50 to 60 rupees. So you don't want to invest more in these type of gaskets. The unbound is applied, let's fit the casing and tighten it up with that single bolt. After fixing the casing, leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes for the anabond to dry up so that it doesn't get mixed up into the gear oil. And here I'm going to use the 20W40 engine oil. Also we can use a gear oil also for this vehicle, which also increases performance. So it's actually came in cheap, so that's why I'm using it. The nut you see in the top right, it's used for filling the oil, and also at the bottom there will be another nut. It's for actually the oil level nut. So when oil pours out from this one, it indicates that the oil is up to the full level. So it's for oil indication. So let's start pouring in the oil using a funnel. As you could see closely at the bottom, the oil starts dripping out. So this is an indication that our clutch housing is at its max oil level. So slightly leave the oil to drip out and then tighten the bolt. This is how you fill the clutch oil in an old diesel or a petrol bullet. So both processes are same. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe.